Hey guys, how's it going? How to schedule content posts on Bluehost. So go ahead to the official website and make sure that you log in and pick the best plan. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. So after you log in with your WordPress, right, just go ahead and create a new post. Right, to access post scheduling, head over to post section of your dashboard, then select edit on the draft that you want to change, or basically if you want to create a new post, just go ahead and click create new post. And once you are in the draft, click on document option on the right, to the right, and once there you'll see the status and visibility option, and use the date and fields to appear and to select your preferred publishing date and time, and then select OK. You will select the blue schedule button and you'll be prompted to confirm the scheduled date and time, right? And after confirm the scheduled time, that you can locate your scheduled post on the summary page of your dashboard. When you use WordPress, time isn't on your side. You can use the post scheduler to schedule content in advance, so your audience never miss a thing, right? If you want to see a couple images on here to see how to, sorry for that, let me go back to see basically how to schedule, right? Go ahead and click post right here, and then just go ahead and you can click edit or create a new one, right? And then you can just from there, as we said before, go ahead and click post and then click add new. And then while doing that, you're gonna stumble upon the scheduling part, and basically you can confirm the scheduling by clicking OK. Right here, click, yeah, you can see something like that, right? And basically you can click edit, right? And then basically if you want to add new, and you have the schedule button at the top right here. So that's when on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.